On April 30th, 2020, officers respond to a public disturbance call, ultimately leading to a protester being by officers for defending his rights.
Watch it. Oh. Someone is.
For defending my rights. I got for defending my rights. Sorry.
Hey, far away! Far away, he's bleeding from the hand.
The SF Police Code 408 is an alarm that indicates an ambulance should be sent.
For defending my rights, I get. So all I was doing was trying to 6 feet away and he wanted to run up at me. Like a thief.
Anything pressure on that? Yeah, David 90, 408. Pressure on marker. It's bleed from the hand. Doesn't control. I got some white ones.
If you guys don't have any, like.
I have some.
You got some?
Yeah.
Hey, let's make sure we get photos of both this. We gotta collect that as well. We gotta get photos of all this. We gotta collect that too. How many just one?
I'm sorry. You know what I said? I have Parkinson's and I can't stop thinking. Sorry. I'm not trying to kill anyone or anything like that. I wasn't trying to attack anyone. I just wanted them to get away from me and leave me alone. The security guard over there.
Over where?
On the little shopping center at noon. I just kept calling him. I'm like, cool, man, just leave me alone. And he kept following me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, does anything hurt other than your hand?
My leg got shot.
Okay. Anything other than those two things?
The advisor call there earlier, same thing. Day 1 for Charlie. Tonight the It was a light male 6-foot medium build, black, white, striped shirt, and pants short distance, continued to extend on them.
Yeah, you're working. Fucking bullshit. You started this. You started this. And if you're more observant, you would have been able to intervene because you're sitting there surveilling us.
Let's go off the street.
I'm staying right here.
Get off the street. Do it on this side.
There's a police car right there. I'm watching my friend. Don't fucking touch me! Goddamn guy. I'm watching to make sure you don't
You need to get back.
Or what?
You're gonna get arrested for... We got this guy sustained a super fake gunfight. Super fake. We're gonna make the 909. Can you call that? Copy, stand by. Jones 1499. Camera at 29, whenever you're ready. Go ahead. Go ahead. That's Connecticut.
Go over David 90.
91.
Where's the David 90?
Yeah, go ahead.
The medics, are they going to National Market or Eureka Valley Library?
They're already 97.
Copy. 44,000, Engine 6 and AMR 116, 97. Making now 9, you got a 4-way coming. Stand by. April, we do have a medic going. I'll look for it now. Well, the update at caution free 21-year-old female. She's got to get lab rate test for sleep control time. Copy, medic 89 is.
I need to get in the car. Hey, Cubas. Hey, the one Sarge took off my back, that's ours.
That's ours?
Yeah, the URW?
Okay.
That's ours. And there's one inside.
Yeah, no, it's ours.
200.
Yeah, it's nothing for you, right? She's been surveilling us for the last 2 hours. How did it ever get to this point? She escalated.
What's up, baby?
Same old, same old. Overtime.
Oh yeah? For what?
David 90? No.
Oh, David 90.
She's doing the library.
He's like, he's asking me amen. And I was like, okay, so I said, what happened? And he goes, I don't know. He's just talking like crazy. And then he's holding a sword. And that was his whole time, is that he was in possession of his sword. And so I could see that he was holding something.
You still age stalking, bro?
But I couldn't tell him.
Just cruising.
What are you saying?
What are we?
Yeah.
Like our unit?
Yeah.
Lincoln 50. Yep. Well worth your overtime, huh? You got another one of those? Sorry, I stole your wipes. Use the one you gave me on next door.
I got a shitload.
You keep these. You're right, W smashed his hand in.
That's why he dropped it.
Yeah. It's like, ow, that one hurt.
Reggie, did we get the PT-22?
Yeah, put it in our trunk. That's I don't know, they were both right next to each other.
Unit dispatch for Indian 31. Indian 31, the location is California and 19th Avenue. Unit 31 staff, properly speaker Wendy, and received a responded issue.
Yeah, the one touch on before. Okay, shelter. Stay down, don't bear it on.
All right, buddy. Mine.
Well, we just grab it in the
Yeah.
kitchen.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't matter. I'm with Cubas.
Only when she made this happen, don't forget, she was watching this for 2 hours, she allowed this to happen. She didn't intervene when that guy attacked us, the security guard.
Yeah.
Like both of them or just the
Security there.
Yeah. Oh, I'll hold on to those, I guess.
What are those rounds for? No, this is two of them with the